Have you ever tried to import a nice vector image, SVG format, into Unreal Engine? Worry not, there's a way to do this since 5.4 using Slate Styles. First, let's start by making sure we have the correct modules to work with. We need these three. Then, we create a style set for our SVGs. This macro allows to access the SVGs files. Make sure it is pointing to the correct folder where our SVGs are at. After finishing the style files, we create the widget, which we'll be able to access, commonly, from the editor. We allow the blueprints to also call this out, and optionally, we can set which category this widget will show up in the widget editor. Now let's try it in the editor. Created a widget blueprint to test this out. Since we did not call this from C++ side, this widget will show white, so we can fix this by setting the thumbnail ourselves, or just calling it from C++. Here, we use the function we defined before. Make sure your SVG files are actually there as well. For testing purposes, just added the widget to the screen, and now you can see these SVGs on screen, all nice and sharp. If you want to add another SVG file, you can add more styles and define them. But if you quickly want to test something out, can just add another SVG file in your folder, and then call the function again with the new path to it. A little treat. Neat. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.